Hey guys, hope you're all well. Hope this video finds you well. My name is Mabel and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be talking about, should you take back a cheating spouse? We're going there. I know a lot of people be like, oh, I will not take him back, or I will not take her back, or you cheat on me once and that's it. But seriously and truthfully, a lot of us will take him back. So let's be real. So anyway, I'm gonna do a couple points just to, what type of points you should think about if you're thinking of taking him back or whatever. So let's get into it. So the first question is, why did they cheat? You need to find out why they cheated. First of all, it might be because it might be your fault that they cheated. It might be some other reason. It might be because you cheated, so they thought, oh, tit for tat, which is not good. You should not do tit for tat because it doesn't help nobody. Literally, it's just making the whole situation worse and more jumbled up and more, too much to even deal with. So it's like, really, so I hurt you, you hurt me. So where do we go from here? Like, it doesn't make no sense. So you need to figure out why they cheated. What's the reason for cheating? Okay, everyone has different reasons. It might be, oh, oops, oh, I was drunk. Oh, yeah. So what I'm trying to say is, excuse me, you need to find out the reason they cheated so you can figure out if it's a reason that you can live with staying in that relationship. If you can't, then say but if you think you can put it at the back of your mind and move on with the relationship and the reason is okay for you, then cool. So that's why you need to know why he cheated. Number 2, do you still trust him? That's the major one. That is like the number one in relationship. If you don't trust the person, then what's the point? Like, literally, why even wasting your time? So you need to figure out, do you still trust him? If you don't trust him, it's done. To the left, if you don't trust him, let's go our separate ways and move on. Find new partners, live a good life. Done. I don't even think I need to really speak more about this because trust is trust. I can't elaborate it more. So find out if you still trust him. If you still trust him, there must still be a trust in your relationship. If it's not trust, it's over. Number 3 is, are you willing to give it a go? Are you willing to work on the relationship to get it back, to get it to not even back to where it was, to a better level? If you're really willing to give it a go, you need to put your all in. You can't be like, oh yeah, I'll just go and say, oh yeah, I'll give 50% and he has to give 90% because he's the one to cheat. No, you both need to work on it because you're two of you in the relationship, okay? And you got hurt and hopefully he feels some type of remorse, so he needs to, excuse me, he needs to work on trying to get back in your good books, and you need to work on trying to trust him again and get your relationship, to a better place. So figure out if you really want this relationship to work and go at it, go after it, chase after it, and hopefully it works. And if you really feel that you wanna give it a go and make it work, one thing you can't do is keep saying, yeah, but you cheated. You literally can't do that, because it's like going 5 steps forward and then you're going back 5 steps back. You understand? It's not gonna work if you keep going backwards, because you're just gonna keep arguing about the same thing. Another point, I don't know if I've touched on it in the last points, is, are you willing to forgive them? Forgiving someone who cheated on you, whew, that's hard. That is hard, because that person, if you love this person, they basically broke your heart, and you have to kind of, that heart needs to be mended back together. It needs to be put back together and start being properly. Like, I don't know, so you need to figure out if you're willing to forgive and forget. Remember that, forget. Okay, that one, they forget. Oh God, they forget. Oh, I think that's why a lot of people do not go back into the relationship. They just, you cheated on me, I'm gone. Because forgiving someone who's cheated on you is hard. Forgiving someone who's broken your heart over cheating with somebody else, that's hard. It takes a lot. It takes a lot of work to forgive someone who hurt you, to forgive someone who broke your heart, to forgive someone who broke your trust, you know, to forgive someone who you gave your all to and then they broke your heart. That's major work that you need to do. So you need to figure out if you can forgive them. If you can't forgive them, it's okay. You can walk away. Nice to know ya. We had a good run. It didn't work. You move on. You know, you move on. You find somebody else. But yeah, you need to figure out if you can forgive them. Number 5 is, has he done it before? If this is the second time, bye. Don't even think about repairing. Don't even think about, oh, why did he do it? Don't even think about, can I forgive? Don't even think about, should I give it a go? No, pack your bags and go. Literally, pack your bags and go back to mom. Okay, go back to mom. Okay, if you don't have nowhere to live, go back to mom. Because that's a piss take. I'm sorry, that's a piss take. You cheated on me first time, and then you're gonna cheat again. So what would be the excuse the second time? You fell on top of them? Your mouth fell on top of their mouth? No. No. You have to draw the line somewhere. You can't just keep giving them chance after chance after chance, and they just keep breaking that chance, and they keep breaking this promise that they will never do it again. You can't. No, you're wasting your years. Okay, you're wasting your goodness. You're wasting your good heart. It's just a waste. Don't go back. Just go home. Go home. Okay. But yeah, guys, I hope these points helped you. I hope you found them helpful. Let me know what you would do if somebody done something like that. Would you take them back, or would you give him another chance? Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you found this helpful. Again, I think I said that already. I hope you. Oh God, guys, I will speak to you later.